Hello students, in today's video, we're going to make friends with straight lines, all sorts of straight lines, horizontal, different kinds of straight lines. All right, so first of all, must give thanks to Gemini AI for helping to build this wonderful apps, right? For someone with have no programming background, so this is really a godsend, right? So if you look at the screen, currently the straight line equation, the equations of the straight line, it's y equals to 1.3x plus 2, right? And if you look carefully, there are actually two very important properties here. The slope represented by m, the letter m, and the y-intercept value represented by the letter c. All right, so what does slope of a straight line means? Okay, the slope of a straight line is actually how steep the line is, the steepness of the line. I'm going to make variation to this letter m, and let's see what happens. Currently, the slope is at 1.3. Right, if I'm going to decrease it until it becomes 0, right, so can you see now that the slope is 0? That means 0 steepness. So 0 steepness, so it's a horizontal line. You can try, if you cannot imagine, you can try to relate the straight line to the ladder. Okay, so I'm going to increase it. So imagine that this ladder, this line is a ladder. So the angle, this angle here, that it mixed with the horizontal ground. All right, if it's more, means steeper. It means it's harder to climb, right? So if you look at this number, they're all positive value. The slopes are all positive. Okay, and this is when it's 0, and then it goes to the other direction where the slope is negative. Okay, so see how the directions of the line represent itself for a positive slope like that and a negative slope. All right, so the second very important property is the y-intercept value. Currently, the y-intercept value is at 2, this value 2 here. Can you see this 2 on the y-axis? Okay, the vertical line, this is called the vertical line, is your y-axis. Okay, vertical line is your y-axis, horizontal line is your x-axis. So the y-intercept value is actually the value that you can find on the y-axis where this line intercepts. So currently, this line intercepts the y-axis at this number 2. So the y-intercept value is 2. So I'm going to increase the value. When I increase it, can you see the line actually shift upwards? Positive. And this is when it's at 0. And then negative means it moved downwards. So these two values, the m and the y-intercept value, actually form the properties for the equations of a straight line. So the general form of a straight line equation is y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to mx plus c. M is the gradient, c is the y-intercept value. Okay, so this is first part of the straight line equation lesson. I'll be showing you part 2, how to find the gradient, and part 3, how to find the y-intercept. So don't go away.